Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel auto payment on Apple Pay. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make your way over to the Settings application. Once you're in this panel, what you want to do is click on your name, which is located at the very top portion of the screen. When you get to this point, you will see a few different options that pop up, but right under the section labeled Subscriptions is essentially where you want to go. You'll want to click on Subscriptions and then you will be brought into the next panel. This next panel is pretty much going to show you all the subscriptions that are currently tied to your phone, as well as the ones that you can manage or remove if you choose to. This is exactly where you want to be, so what you'll need to do here is basically find the specific subscription you want to cancel and simply select it. At that point, you'll be able to delete or cancel the subscription, and that is essentially how the process works. Now, there are certain cases where the subscription you have might not actually be enabled directly on your iPhone, but is instead tied to the account itself. In that situation, what I would recommend doing is locating the exact account in question and then removing the autopay option from there. For example, if you want to delete your Netflix subscription, you may find there isn't a direct way to do it through your iPhone settings or even within the Netflix app. In that case, you'll want to search for the official method provided by that specific application in order to disable the autopay. That way, you'll be able to handle it properly outside of your iPhone's built-in settings. By the way, if you're frustrated with recurring payments and high fees, I recommend switching to Wise. I use it myself. Wise makes sending money worldwide fast, secure, and affordable, and they're completely transparent about fees. Right now, if you sign up through the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is free. It only takes a few minutes to create your free account.